Right, so we're going to do a vertical today. This is part 3 of the antenna, make your own rainy night software antenna. We ended up last time on this here, inverted V. So file new, geometry. Right, if you remember, back here, we've got our X and our Y and our Z. So if we build an antenna, which is right in the middle of this, the X and the Y axis can all stay at 0. So can the Z axis if this is a ground mounted antenna. So the only thing we need to do is Z equals 2. Z2, sorry, when we'll make it for the 20 meter band. So we'll make it 5.2 meters. This is going to sit on the ground. So wire 1 at the bottom. Okay, so if we go to here, there's our red dot, which is the coax, and we go to the calculate button. We can now remove the height which we had on the inverted V, and we can check our ground setup. That is roughly what I've got at Holly Farm. Leave it at the default. So let's just review. Got the geometry, got the view, and now we can just go and calculate. There we go, and now we look at the far field plot. Ta-da! Now, I normally benchmark all my antennas at 5 degrees, but I've noticed in this tutorial set, I've been doing 10. So we'll do 10. The inverted V dipole was at minus 4.1. This is at minus 1.6 all the way around. So that would follow the propagation. Elevation, that was at 10 degrees, yeah. And then we've got the 3D far field plot. Hit the OK button, bottom left. And, it's straight out the textbooks, that, isn't it? All right, so that's how to do a vertical, and you can do that any height you like. Next one, on the next tutorial, what we'll do is we'll lift it off the ground and give it some radials, raised radials, see what happens then. All right, let's just benchmark this to remember. That's saying minus 1.6. Don't worry, it's a minus number. It's a theoretical number. It'll still get out. You can still go around the world. Enjoy your radio, guys. See you on part 4. Bye for now.